It's a strange system you have in Pakistan. I think you've called it a hybrid model, where the military and civilian leaders effectively share power. But the military leaders are really the ones in charge, are they not? In most countries, the head of the army answers to the defense minister. In your country, you, the defense minister, answer to the head of the army, don't you? Asim Munir is a more powerful person than you are.
No, it's not like that.
You don't think General Asim Munir is more powerful than you are in Pakistan today?
No, I'm a political appointee. I'm a political worker, you know.
But I'm saying in other countries, in this country, we're in the US, Peter Hegseth can fire the top American general. You can't fire the top Pakistani general.
You know, they have a different model over here.
Yeah, it's called democracy.
No, it's called deep state, you know.
Well, civilian rule.
It's a deep state.
Pakistan doesn't have a deep state.
You know, every country has a deep state.
But in your country, the deep state's in charge.
No.
That's what the accusation is.
We are, you know, it's you can say that because of our military rulers,
yes.
4 military rulers.
Yes.
So it is more, you know, visible. It's not like.
But who's in charge is what I'm trying to understand. Where does power lie?
I said it is hybrid, you know.
So it's equal.
It's not equal.
If you and Asim Munir disagree on something, who gets the last word?
We can agree to disagree. You know.
I understand you can disagree, but then what happens? Let's say you want to go left and he wants to go right. Who wins that argument?
No, it is by consensus, whatever is taking place, you know.